Switching then to code real-time, we have improved the art debugger. So now you can view the current state of each instance while debugging. So this avoids having to do printouts to understand in which state the state machine currently is. And you can then choose if you want to use simple names, which often is sufficient, but if you have hierarchies, hierarchical state machines, sometimes the nested states can have the same names, and then you can use qualified names to disambiguate. We also have a new command, send to app, which corresponds to the similar command in model real-time. So it basically is a way how you can invoke a custom debug command that you have implemented in the target RTS, for example, for tracing, but it can do basically anything, and how you can invoke that from the debug UI. We also improved so that a TC that you want to launch, for example, for debugging, now is automatically built before launching. So if you have made any changes, it will be detected and the build will happen before the launch takes place. And as part of this, we also support 2 new launch configuration attributes called pre-launch task. That's a Visual Studio Code built-in attribute that basically allows you to do some custom action before the launch takes place, and also an attribute build before launch, which you can turn off if you don't want this behavior of automatically building before launching. We've also provided now build tasks that are automatically computed based on the TCs in the workspace. So this makes it possible to easily build any TC in your workspace, and in particular, if you're using build variants, this is useful because this is a way how you can provide the arguments to the build variants and decide what version of the application to build. We also made some improvement in Cont Assist when it comes to type descriptors. So we have included now a link to the documentation so that you can look up how to write the type descriptor if you forgot. And then we did a number of improvements in the code generator. We have aligned how capsule factories are generated with how it works in model real-time. We also improved the shallow history generation for passive class state machines, and some more improvements. And then we also, of course, did the same improvements in code real-time that we did in model real-time with regards to long double and C++23. There is also a new sample, matrix multiplication sample, and it shows how you can use unwire ports in code real-time.